Hello, everyone. All right, I am going to reread about grizzly bears, I think warthogs and saigas today, so that you can hear about those noses again, and you can think about what facts you might want to write down about each of those. All right, let's start with grizzly bear. A grizzly bear's nose is packed with smell sensors. No wonder this bear is a champ at tracking down food, sometimes from over a mile away. It needs to find and eat all the food it can before winter. That's when a grizzly bear goes into a deep sleep called hibernation and usually doesn't eat at all. Fact: the smell sensing areas in a grizzly bear's nose are 100 times bigger than a human's. Hey, so that's going to make it smell a lot better than a human. Let's look what our little fact over here is. If you had a grizzly bear's nose, you could sniff out all your favorite goodies and only trick or treat at the best houses. Ooh, that'd be fabulous. Warthogs. A warthog's nose isn't pretty, but it's the perfect food finder. First, the warthog uses its strong sense of smell to sniff out underground roots and bulbs it likes to eat. Then the warthog rolls its nose around to dig into the soft soil with some help from its tusks. Finally, the warthog uses its nose to lift dirt out of the hole until it finds the roots or bulbs to munch. Fact: warthogs greet each other with nose-to-nose bumps. That's awesome. Instead of fist bumps, they do nose bumps. A little fact over here says, if you had a warthog's nose, you would never need anything but your nose to build sandcastles. Ooh, that'd be cool. No shovels. Saiga. A saiga is a sheep-sized antelope with a proboscis nose. Its proboscis is lined with hairs and snotty mucus, making it perfect for filtering out dust. That's important because the saiga's homeland is often dry and dusty. Herds of saigas live together and kick up a lot of dust, traveling in search of grass to eat. That is one of the most interesting noses I think I've ever seen. And try to think of what other animal, I'm going to let you think about it, I'm not going to tell you. What other animal had a nose that they called a proboscis? Let's see if you can remember. Fact: some saigas live in parts of Russia where winters are very cold. The saiga's big nose heats up icy air as the saiga breathes in. That big nose helps keep it warmed and unthawed. Let's look at our little fact over here. If you had a saiga's nose, you would never notice when a room was dusty because your nose hairs would filter out all that dust. Such interesting noses. All right, now I want you to go back and write 2 facts about each of the noses we reread about today. You can rewatch this if you want to, or you can go back and rewatch the whole book if you'd like. Good luck!